Hello guys, this is Kurdape in Australia. This one guys, I pick up in the rubbish in the footpath. Someone threw this and this is very dirty guys. I clean up. See the other one, this is whole set. They threw it and this is the one that I already finished cleaning up. And the other one is there, still dirty. I need to clean up this first, and then after that, see guys, this is the whole set guys. They threw it, and now this is the big one, so I have to finish cleaning up this one, and then you will see this one guys, it turns brand new. So I need to stop this video first and watch until I finish washing and putting the varnish. Okay guys, see you next video.